Guys, welcome to BYBIT 9. My name is Alahari, and in today's video, let's see what our signal looks like. Let's see how we can make some money this week. So this analysis will cover for the entire week. Today is Monday, which is 30th of September. So let's see how we can make today count for ourselves. So in my last signal, I said, okay, after all the analysis, I said you guys should also analyze BTC. So whenever you are trading in the crypto space, it is very essential you also analyze BTC alongside the coins you want to analyze. And don't forget that my masterclass signal or my masterclass strategy it also works for other coins. In as much as I only trade Solana, I decided to just pick only Solana to trade. Now, when you're trading single coin or trading multiple coins, it doesn't matter. In as much as you're consistent, single coin can make you a lot of profits. Multiple coins can also make you a lot of profits. Okay, it all depends on your capital and your level of consistency and how you understand the market to take trades. That's what matters. Every other thing can still, stay on the other side. Now, let's get right into this video and let's see how we can analyze today. So here we're coming all the way right to our trading view. Now let's click on Solana as we usually do. So here, don't forget on Solana, we're going to draw out the previous day high and previous day low. So as you can see, this is I'm going to be using the white horizontal line to indicate the previous day high and the low. So this is the 1 day, that's 1D time frame, and we'll go all the way here. So let me make sure that I'm marking the right price. So this is it. So that's it. That's the high of the previous day, and this is the low of the previous day. So when you're done, that's the only thing you need to do. Remove this on this particular time frame. You probably don't need to do so much. Now, we are a day trader and we also scalp using the 3-minute time frame. That's the last time frame we're going to be using to ensure that we are able to take trades in the market. Now, the next time frame we want to use will be the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, what can you see? Yes, so let's go. Now, on the 4 hours time frame, I can see a double top, and don't forget that on the higher time frame speaks a lot for the market compared to the lower time frame where you have a lot of candles coming out every minute, every seconds. Now here, as I can see, you can see this resistance. Okay, and the previous day low support is very, very perfect, and I can assure you that the only time we can conclude that yes, we are now on an uptrend is when we close above this price. That's 159.46. That's when we can also okay, yes, let's look at the upside. But as you can see, we are still on the reversal. So even here, I would still like to bring another horizontal line here as support. So how do we usually go about this? Now, we said it's either you trade the internal structure or you trade the external structure. Don't forget, guys, this is the internal, this is the external, this is the external. Okay, so this is how it works for us. So here is still the normal candlestick pattern. If you want to understand the candlestick pattern, what I'm currently doing now, you need to watch my video price action. That will probably share more light to you to understand what the signal is all about. So let's continue to draw our support and resistance. Right now, another thing is, guys, don't forget that a new candle usually show up for crypto 1 a.m. Nigerian time. Yes, 1 a.m. Nigerian time, and that means that from 1 a.m. Nigerian time, which is the midnight, that is when you want to come and draw these lines, right? Now, one thing, a beautiful thing about crypto system is that anytime market can move compared to forex, where you want to target some specific time zone, right? Such as the New York time, the New York session, the London session, the Tokyo session, and all the likes. Now, for crypto, all are very active, but the most active is still the New York session. The most active is still the New York, because the entire crypto space is valued in US dollars. So that's the reason why it usually have a lot of effects Okay, now nevertheless, this is the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So what can you see? What can you see now? If I have to go about this on the 1 hour time frame, it's telling me that there is another resistance here. Can you see that? So how did I know? So you will observe that these two guys, they've been rejecting, right? It's been rejecting that area, except from this uptrend, right? And it came down to validate head and shoulder. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So it's coming to form the right shoulder. Now, for you to practice a very sound risk to reward trading, then if you have to trade this internal structure, that simply means that you have to be very careful to ensure that when the candle get to this price, that's when you take your trade. Okay, and you know that there should be also stop loss. Immediately you have the candle closing above this, there should be stop loss. That is how it works. You can see this place, and this should target your stop loss in accordance with this, right? So after the stop loss, then you know that this trade is no longer coming, that is no longer forming the usual head and shoulder. Then you have to take that loss. So I have to, when I'm explaining signal for you guys, I also have to explain to you guys the aspect whereby if there is loss, you should know how to manage it. I don't want you to be in a big loss, because when profit comes, the profit should be able to cover for all your losses. That's it. So as we can see that we're able to generate another resistance on the 1 hour time frame. So let's move to the 15 minutes time frame and see what next. So here on the 1.5. Okay, beautiful. Now look at this. Now after having this uptrend, this came down. I actually took this trade yesterday night. I took this trade all the way down. I made about 100% profit of my margin. That's exactly how it works. Now here we are coming here to short this market, right? We're coming to short this market because all our higher time frame, that's what it's telling us, and that's what we're going to follow. So this is it. So this is our signal for today. It's still on a short position. Okay, that's 2%. We usually target 2%. So on my exchange, then I'll come to derivatives, then I'll select Solana. Okay, I'll select Solana here. Okay, let's go like this. Okay, so that's Solana. Then I will push back. Then here I use 50x. That's what I use. So you use your margin to control your risk management. I also have another video that explains to you how to practice proper risk management from your signal and also from your capital. Now here, this is $100, so this is about $98.3. So you should be trading with at least between 1 and 2%. Yes, this is just for practice. You understand? Yeah, but all over the internet you see a lot of traders flipping $100 to whatever dollar they want. But before you get to that level, you must understand the proper procedure, right? When they are losing, they won't show you. It's only when they are winning they will show you. You understand? So you probably don't even know amount of losses they have acquired before they even make that money they make. So on your own end, take your time to practice this thing, perfect it, and then from there you can probably do whatever you want to do. But for now, we are going with this. But don't forget, you also have to make this order by cost, so that when you are trading, if you want to use 2%, then here you just add $2. That's all, right? If you want to use 1%, just add $1. If you want to use 5%, just add $5. So that's how it works. Then make sure that on these 3 dots at the top here, you have trading preferences. Make sure that you are also on edge for new members who are just joining us who want to take this trade. This is very, very important. And after that, you can now place your trade. But before we place the trade, we need to wait for this candle to hit this price, okay, which is this. Then we're good to go. So the same thing I just did to Solana, do the same thing for BTC. Try to check the direction at which BTC is going and use that to guide your other coins. Now, that will be it for this particular signal for today. Then if you want me to do any other analysis on any coin, put it in the comment section. Any coins you want me to analyze for you, put in the comment section. I will probably send a video today or tomorrow, right? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.